You know what I mean?
Now say it to yourself like that.
All right, guys, let me help you
Yeah.
from the back. I do need these turned in today.
What? No, I need it for my notes.
You'll get it back.
He rolls his eyes. You're gonna get it back.
What's the claim that's being made here? No matter what your data was, what's the claim being
All
made?
you do is part two.
The mean is 82. So which one is that? No.
That's the low.
What's the high?
That's not equal to
How many tail tests will it be?
2.
Everybody's first step here should be the same. In fact, everybody's first 3 steps should be the same. It's only the 4th step where you bring in your own sample data. That would be different. So this is going to be a 2-tail test. Cool. Z or T, well, we should know by now it's T-score. Because N is 32, which is bigger than 30. Check, that means I could do something. And then which thing can I use depends on the fact that I don't know sigma, I only know S. So therefore I have to use T-scores. That's why they were invented, to cover my ass for when I only know S. I don't know the real sigma. Okay, this step should be the same for everybody. In fact, hopefully some of you guys realized it's the same exact T-score. I think I said that earlier anyway. Alpha's 0.10, 2-tail test. That's exactly related to a 90% confidence interval. It's the exact same T-score. So it's going to be 1 point, what was it, 696? So everybody's first 3 steps here are the same. So I'm just giving this to you because I'm a nice guy. So how do you say this in words?
If T star is greater than 1.696.
Yeah, above that, I like it.
Or T star is less than negative 1.696.
We can do it.
Reject ho and support high.
I like it. You see my dean now. Jeff, I got to talk to your students, talk about highs and lows. Summarize the sample information. So now, what do I know from this? This is where you bring in your own. So I'm going to do mine. I better not see these numbers are for you, because you ain't got the same thing as me. Well, everybody's got the same end. Woo! My standard deviation was 13.952. Who had something a lot bigger than that? Anybody? Bigger than 13.9? What'd you get? 15? Oh, I'm sorry, I hurt you with that. And we got something a lot smaller than that? 9? Sweet. 12? Okay. All right. So see, that's the range, depending on the numbers you pick. Right? Depending on what numbers you pick. Then you have to do this. Of course, my X bar was this. Your X bar, I don't know.
Is it possible to get 77?
Say again?
77 point something?
Of course.
Oh, see? Okay.
It's possible to get a lot of different things. If you just happen to pick a bunch of really high grades, you could have something in the upper 80s. Who thinks they have the highest average? Who thinks they have the highest X bar? What'd you have?
77?
Who?
77?
They may have in the 80s. I think some people said they had the 80s.
Oh, so somebody had it like
Yeah.
82.
82? Anybody beat that? 83, watch out. What'd you have? You went?
81.
81, okay, all right. I think the actual average on this was like 80 point something or other. Okay. So you have to use so this right here will be different for you from me. Nobody had this exact same numbers, did you? If somebody did, that's going to freak me out for a while. Somebody can right now just go, yeah, I did. Yeah, don't look, I did. And freak me the shit out. So, this is T-star, but again, like I said before, just warned you, I'm going to call everything Z-star. T-star is my data, so that's your data, right? trying to do this by yourself. You put your X bar there. We're all going to put minus 82 here because that's our claim. That's the claim. Divided by the new standard deviation, which I did not finish out. Good job, man. This will be different for you also. So I get 2.466. Looks like. So my freaking star, whatever it is. I get negative 2.21. So I found evidence, because I got way the hell in there. I think it looks like maybe 2 or 3 of you will not find evidence that it's, to reject that it's 82. It actually isn't 82. I think I gave it away already. That doesn't mean you did something wrong. It just means that your sample happened to be one extreme or the other, and it wasn't evidence to show that 82 is wrong. That's what happens in the real world all the damn time. This is trying to be a T, by the way. So I rejected the null. You got to look at yours and see if you made it far enough away or not. Support the high. The claim was the null, so I use this language. We have found sufficient evidence to reject the claim. Oh, gotcha. Reject the claim that average grade is 82. So like I said, I think about 3 of you are going to get not enough evidence. Yeah.
Would you get that 2.466?
That was from when I did the S divided by square root of n.
Oh.
I just didn't write it down. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes to finish it up, and then if you're done, you turn it in, you can go. I'm going to let us out of here a little early. What is it? No, the average grade is 82. That was the claim, right? It is 82. This is good. That's your error, right? And then you subtract that from this, you add that. Thanks. Phillips.